Traveling from Guangzhou to Shenzhen? Here's how to buy your train tickets quickly and easily using Trip.com. Step 1. Download the Trip.com. App first, download the Trip.com app from your app store, log in, or create an account. Step 2. Select trains. Tap the train's icon on the home screen to start your booking. Step 3. Enter travel details. Input your departure city, Guangzhou, your destination, Shenzhen, and your travel date. Then tap Search. Step 4. Choose your train. Browse the options by departure time, price, or seat class. Pick the train that works best for you. Step 5. Add passenger details. Enter your name and ID or passport information. Trip.com allows you to save these details for future bookings. Step 6. Confirm and pay review your booking. Select your payment method, which could be a credit card, Apple Pay. Tap Pay Now to complete the booking. Step 7. Access your e-ticket. After payment, your e-ticket and QR code will appear in the app. Use this code to board at the train station. Step 8. Check your emails. Once your payment is successful, you'll receive 2 emails. One confirming your payment and another confirming your ticket has been issued. Keep these for your reference. Arrive at the station 30 minutes before departure. Use the entrance for ticketed passengers. Scan your QR code or passport at security and check the screen for your boarding gate. Locate your seat using your ticket. Taking the train in China is fast and convenient. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips. Subscribe to NBS Travel for more tips. Save travels.